In this video, I'll demonstrate some features of Findit that you can use to broaden or narrow your results when searching for journals. To get started, we'll click on Advanced Search, and let's look for pediatric journals. Let's try the subject, Pediatric. And for material type, we'll choose Journals. And that yielded 327 results. You'll see that if instead of searching subject, we search by title, we'll get a different number, 174 results. To get the broadest results, if we search by any field combining both subject and title, we'll get 407 results. We can also use Boolean operators to broaden our search. If we use or and the word, pediatrics, and by using or, we're combining the results of a search for pediatric and pediatrics. And that yields 520 results. If we use a European spelling for pediatrics with an A here, the result is the same. To then narrow our results, we can use these tools here on the left. For example, if we want to find journals that are only available online, we'll select Available Online here on the left and apply filters. And that results in only journals that are available online. Another option is to narrow results by subject, by author, and down here by creation date or language. So if, for example, I want Spanish journals, I can click on Spanish and apply filters. And we get some results for Spanish journals. And to remove a filter, just click at the top here, click on the X, and that removes it. If we want to search by subject, we can apply that filter, say for example, medicine, apply filters, and that narrows our results to pediatric journals that have to do with pediatric medicine. If we're looking for a journal by a particular association, we click on Author and Creator, and we can select American Medical Association or European Pediatric and Orthopedic Society. And lastly, I just wanted to show you creation date can further narrow results. If we want to, for example, search for only materials published after the year 2000, we can click on Refine, and that gives us only journals published after 2000. I wanted to show you lastly that if you know the title of the journal, you can search journals by title. And let's search for Pediatric Radiology. If you click here where it says Available Online, we can see that this journal is available through EBSCO, or here are two links for Springer Link journals. And in EBSCO, it gives us an index of all available issues. So if we just want to browse the most recent issue, we can go to 2019, and the most recent issue is June 2019. And it gives us a list of articles.